Hello boss, this is Judy. Yeah, some clients ask us why the price of your products is more expensive than others. Definitely, our price is just higher than others. The first, in the production process of LED screen, the raw material and the production process used to have a direct impact on the cost. In order to reduce this cost, many manufacturers may reduce the allocation in these links, and these differences are often not easy to detect at the time of the acceptance. But after the period of time, the display effect and the quality problem will appear again. The raw material we use are high quality specified by customers, and the production process is strictly checked to ensure the stability and excellent performance of the products in long-term use. And the second, we carry out the agent testing for up to 70 hours for each batch of LED screen before delivery, and carefully check out every details. If a broken lamp base, module or box is found when during the testing, so we replace it immediately to ensure that every screen is up to the highest standards. And especially for outdoor LED screen, and we will also carry out a waterproof testing to ensure stable operation in a variety of harsh environments, so that customers have no worries when using it. And third, as the first on foreign trade export express, so we attach great importance to after-sales service. You will get 2 years warranty. And during the warranty period, if the lamp base or module is damaged, we will arrange for you to return the factory for repair and replace it in the first time. So to minimize your trouble, we are not only selling products but also providing customers with peace of mind and certification. At least our insistence on high quality standards is also the reason why our products price is high. Yeah, okay. So will you come to buy LED screen? Just contact us. EagerLED Limited, your reliable partner.